So on the 941, the first order of business is to remove the case back. And I use a friction ball because the case back removal tool, if you don't have the exact size lugs to fit in the case back, they slip, and I scratched the case back on this particular watch. So all you do is press it on and turn it, and the case back unscrews. And there is the raqueta movement. So really all I need to do is remove the movement holder, remove the crown and crown stem, and then the movement will come out. And then it will be a matter of removing the hands and the dial and then reinstalling. I'm not so sure I'm going to film all that, but we'll see how it goes.